What's going on? How are you? It's beautiful to be here in Kauai, and I'm here with beautiful Shoshana, who is wonderfully facilitating these. How can I define it? It's just a gathering, a simple gathering among friends, Kauaian friends. And in this gathering, we do just a little experiment where we commune with the power of music and sound. The sounds will be mostly offered by Shoshana and by Kurtis with these beautiful magic balls. And soon after that, I will just provide some music, not as a musician, but as a kind of a DJ, where I play some of my original composition, which will take you to a journey. It's basically, this is an invitation to a journey into our emotions. We are at the beginning of the 2020, a new decade. It's important more than ever to address our internal emotions and let them out and free. And so it will be a short journey where we all commune together around the music, and hopefully, if we open our heart and we set up ourselves in a position of alignment and surrendering, we will. The music will take us to a beautiful journey into oneness, and then when we, from that state, we will start to recognize ourselves in each other's eyes. And that's basically the experience that we are providing. You're most welcome to come. Very simple, but very, very magical, and with a great potentiality for something very meaningful at this time of our journey.
What a wonderful way to start the new year.
Yes.
Leave the old decade behind.
Yes.
And retune our frequencies.
Yes.
To return to oneness. And yeah, I think we're all purifying a lot, so we can start this new decade with a bang.
That's right.
Aligned with the divine, yeah?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, and the gathering is where?
At the Princeville Community Center on Monday, the 6th of January, from 7:15 to 9. And bring a yoga mat. You'll just be completely in surrender, allowing yourself to receive this blessing. And I'm just so thrilled that Marco is here with us on Kauai. So join us while he's here, because he's gone soon. And just really a great gift to have you here, Marco.
It's my gift to be here with the amazing energy of Kauai and his lovely soulfulness collective. And who knows, maybe this will trigger something that will induce me to come back sooner than later.
I think so.
Okay, so looking forward to see you all, or some of you, and aloha and mahalo.
Aloha and Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Decade. Ciao.